What if I told you there's a treatment for erectile dysfunction that works in just 10 minutes, without swallowing a single pill? Eroxon Gel is being called a game changer. But is it really the future of ED treatment, or just another overhyped product? Stay with me because the truth might surprise you. Hi, welcome back to Health Prism, where we break down men's health solutions with zero sugarcoating. Today we're diving deep into Eroxon Gel, the product making headlines as the first FDA-cleared, drug-free ED treatment. But does it actually deliver results? And is it safe for long-term use? Let's find out. Unlike Viagra or Cialis, Eroxon isn't a pill. It's a topical gel applied directly before intimacy. The company claims it stimulates blood flow within minutes. No waiting, no scheduling, no daily dose. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? That's why reviews and real results matter. Clinical trials show that men experienced faster onset of erections compared to traditional pills. But here's the catch. Results aren't guaranteed. For some men it works brilliantly. For others, not much difference. And unlike pills that last hours, Eroxon's effect is short-lived, so timing is everything. No prescription needed in many countries. Drug-free, so fewer risks of headaches or blood pressure drops. Fast action, no planning ahead. Doesn't work for every case of ED. Short effect window compared to Viagra or Cialis. Still relatively new, long-term safety data is limited. So is Eroxon Gel the future of ED treatment? Maybe, not for everyone, but for men who can't take pills or want a quick on-the-spot solution, it could be a real breakthrough. The truth is it's not a magic fix, but it may become an important tool in the fight against ED. Would you try Eroxon over traditional pills? Comment below, I'd love to hear your take.